Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope everybody is getting ready and having a fantastic holiday season. I know everybody's busy and the big C is throwing a loop into everybody's plans, unfortunately. But as long as we're all safe and you travel safe, and hopefully you get to see your families and have a fantastic Christmas. So I'm trying to keep this one on the down low because my mother-in-law, she has been one of my supporters in this little junk journaling journey, and she has been wanting one of my journals for a very long time, and I just haven't gotten there. So I was supposed to make her a prayer one. That didn't happen, and so I was making this when everybody in my household got a cold, and so I stopped, and so I finally finished it, and this one is going to her, and I know she's going to like it, so I'm going to have to keep it on the download till she gets it. But here we go. And this one here, I'm going to talk through it because it's already somebody else's. It's not for sale. And so I'm just going to go through it and kind of explain how I made it. So this is a recycled book and some fabric, and how I got the fabric. Usually I use Fabri-Tac, and I glue it on, but this time I used heat and bond, and so I just cut the fabric out, put the heat and bond on it, and adhered the heat and bond to the fabric. You peel the back off it, then I laid it on the book, and then I used an iron to get the glue nice and sticky, and it worked really well. There's no bubbles or wrinkles in it. And then I put these cute little corner tabs on it to match the button. So that's just a button. And this is a cute little tag. And this is a pocket that I made. And the pockets are fairly, I know people are intimidated by them, but the pockets are fairly easy to make. I just, you just cut the window out and from one piece of paper, and I just fold it. So I just fold it over like a sandwich. And then you take a piece of acetate in there and I fold it, and then I just stitched it. And I just left a tab on the inside here. And it's cut like this with a fold in it. And then I just put a piece of paper over inside. You'll see when I get in here. So there would be the tab there. And I sewed this before I glued it on. Put the little slit in it. And then there's the tab you can't see. And you just glued around the edges here because I wanted to make the slit, and that covers your tab and your flap. So it's fairly easy. Intimidating in the beginning. I was quite intimidated. You just have to remember not to sew your cover if you're making a pocket. And I put the slit in it, and then this here is like a little pocket. And then you just take that and slide it in there. And then your string goes underneath and you glue it. And so that's that. So there will be a wrap. I'm going to use an ivory sari silk wrap to close it. And this is the papers are from, I believe, 3 different kits. One is My Porch Designs, and one is from, I think it's this one here is from Victoria Designs. And then there might be 2 kits by My Porch Prints. One is, I think, the Yummy Christmas kit, I think. So that's who you'll get these papers. So I stitched it with, I don't know if you guys can see it's very hard to work with this thread. It's kind of like tinsel. Okay, let's zip through here. So it's a pocket. I just love the papers for this kit. Aren't the graphics gorgeous? And she likes the Sears Christmas wish book. I guess everybody does. So I made sure to include a page. And this is all coffee dyed paper. The little charms. So I actually go to the thrift store around here. See if I can get this closer for you guys. And I get like earrings and old necklaces and stuff, and then I just make my charms out of them. And the story of the Christmas pickle, which is fabulous. I love it. I think it's a German tradition. And then there's some tags or journaling cards in there. Some of these I've backed with box board or, you know, from cookies. There's all kinds of. This is an envelope with some cards in there. Now this is the loaded yummy loaded folder, and so I just incorporated it into the journal. And it just folds out, and once again there's just the flap, and this paper is covering it, and here you can't really see it. Lots of writing spot. There's 3 signatures in this. The graphics are just gorgeous. And this here is from that Victoria Designs. It comes with all these pockets and this and this. A little tuck in there. Journaling card. There's little beads on there. So I hope she likes it. Didn't go into too much detail on this one because it was getting fatter and fatter as I was putting the pockets and everything in it. I like how this stamp came out. 3 different stamps. Journaling cards. It's just kind of simple. Some envelope there. And then this one's open again. Got a pocket. And then there's a pocket there. And then I just took my background paper and I just glued it over this. And that's it. So I hope you like it. I really love how this one turned out. When I started it, I did not think that it was going to end up with all the red in the poinsettias. But I really like how it turned out, and I hope that she likes it. It's going to be her Christmas present. And I hope everyone has a great Christmas. And I will be working slowly on my next projects. I have some very, very beautiful fabrics. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue on with the winter theme or if I'm going to go into some different. I've just got some beautiful fabrics that I want to work with. So I hope everyone has a great Christmas. Thanks for watching, and take care and be safe. Bye.